Hello everyone, welcome back again on one more video, and today I bring you one helicopter in 1/72 scale, and this is from AMP. It's Ukrainian builders, and this is a really awesome chopper if you guys want to build one of these. Okay, the price, it's, I know for some guys they think it's a little high for the size of the box, but believe it, you're going to have a terrific, fantastic model. Okay, so let me open this and show you. You can see they have more kind of these choppers to build, but this one, it's a new one, came to the market, and it is really awesome. So let me put it away. You can see lots of things on this box. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's open, and we're going to save this one. And as you can see, it's open here, the bag, and I can show you guys all you can get on this one. So we got here the clear parts. The clear parts are very nice. Even for putting the masks on this, or if you put liquid mask, this is good. And now you can see here some parts of the body of the helicopter, some parts of the motors. They are super big. You can see here. Maybe if I put like this, it's more easier. The details are really good. So more parts. Oops, sorry. Now, parts of the frame of the structure, and more parts from the frame. So yes, it's a little high on the price, but we got here all to make a good, nice model. Even on the little pieces, they are very well molded. Okay, we got here more parts. Sorry. Now let's go here and see a little of this. So more clear parts. Now we got here, and I think you are going to like it, guys. We got here the decals, and right here on the back we got photo edge parts, and to put this very good, and we got nice wheels details, and guys, the masks for all the window, all the clear parts of this chopper. So this helps a lot to build it. Okay, instructions. It is simple. It came some with color for the right schematics. So we got here all the things it came here. It's good because you make the frame and then you put this all together, so it's not difficult. Okay, the motor, it's nice. Here on the back too. Construction of all the clear parts, it makes a big one. all to put the photo edge part, to build this part, so it's going to be really high detail. And we got here schematic for the paints. This is for the frame of side. Okay. Where the propeller is going on the rotor. Another rotor, all the photo edge parts too, so it's going to be very nice, guys. As you can see, I think it's quite nice. So we got here some what you can do. Okay, you can see German, Czech, and this is, I think it's American. Yeah, I think so. Yes, this is from 1945. So yeah, you got lots of different ways to do. Very nice, very nice. So this is what you can do on this fantastic model. This Avia V3, and this is the FA 2023. So it's a very nice kit. Okay, for some guys who are going to see the price, it's too high, but it's not too high. The mold is good, and it's a very big helicopter for 1/72 scale to put on your display. Okay, so if you have any question, guys, just ask me. If you are not from Portugal and you want this beauty, so just tell me something and I can send you this by post. You can see the price again here. It's on euros here on WarkitStore. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching, and I catch you up on the next video. Bye, guys.